Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Wow, it went out of focus. I have a special guest visiting today and joining me for a video. This is my daughter. You've seen her in some videos in the past, but it's been a while. Certainly we haven't done one since I've had this new surgery. And y'all know Jose.
Yeah, but he's being gross right now, so.
If I don't say this, y'all are always going to comment about my poor audio quality, so I think having someone else in here in this video with me that does not have a voice problem like me might actually help them see that it's not an audio quality, it's not a bad mic, this is just my voice. This is just how I sound in the picture.
I'm in the picture!
No, you're like,
I'm in the picture fine!
So now with them hearing your voice and hearing my voice, they can say, okay, you know, this is just the way she sounds, and it's not for audio quality. If you need to know more about why I sound this way, or why I have the scars and everything, then you'll have to check out my health and cancer videos. Alright, she has picked us out a tutorial that we're going to follow, and we're using the
Jeffree Star James James Palette Morphe. James Palette Charles Morphe. James Charles X Morphe Palette.
Wow. We finally got that out.
James Palette X Morphe Challenge. Charles.
I do have the Jeffree Star as well, but we're not using it right now. Alright, we're using this palette. And
the video is by Kinsey McBrown, and it's called James Charles Palette Makeup Tutorial, and it's this like sunsetty. Stop that! It's like this Stop it! It's this like sunset eye look, and we don't have all the right brushes, but who cares? What are the consequences, really?
Hi guys! I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'm so excited to share with you this bright and colorful eyeshadow look I created using the Morphe and James Charles palette because he was saying.
So eyeshadow primer first. Do you have any?
I do.
Let it be known that I don't really have much of a crease. Like, here's my brow bone, and then my brow is immediately above it. As for most people, it's like here's where their crease would be.
And I'm placing the shade Canvas. That's a top left corner shade. It's like a more nude shade. I'm placing that right along the upper brow bone, just beneath my eyebrow.
Oh, goodness.
I don't ever see much point in using this color because it literally does not show up.
I think it's to make everything blend better.
I mean, some people who have a different skin tone, this might actually show up on them, but it is kind of literally our skin color.
Next, I'm using the exact same blending brush to put the shade B, which is that bright yellow color. You can't miss it. I'm putting that right in my crease.
Then you just won't post a video. Bless you, buddy.
What are you doing?
Bless you, baby.
Wow.
He's wallering.
He's still on the show. And so I must mention, I mean, they hear me say it a lot, but, you know, I'm 42 years old. My skin has changed a lot through the course of dealing with cancer and having the radiation to my face, and then on top of that, the surgeries that have altered my face quite a bit. So that's my face story. And then she is 19.
Yes.
With still obviously a young person face, more oily.
Yeah, in general it's more oily, except for like right here and on my nose I get kind of dry. But
and you don't have the scars and the skin damage like from radiation. So even though we follow the same tutorial, and your eye shapes are much different than mine.
Yeah, so my eyes are very round and just big.
Mine are very hooded and more, I would say, maybe more oval type shape.
More almondy.
Almond. Whereas yours are a real round. You can do some princess looks, like the Disney princess looks.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have totally different skin that we're working with here. Two,
different ends of the spectrum.
Of age, yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
And I'm going in with that one hot pink shade, which is called Skip.
Thing is, the tutorial that we're following, her eye shape is closer to my mom's, but like not as hooded. So like more almondy. Well, I'm basically just stabbing my eyeball.
To help make this blending process a little bit smoother, I'm taking the shade 518, which is that almost pumpkin-y orange shade, and I'm going to place that right in between that yellow and that pink, just to help create more of an ombre look.
Yeah, yours are a lot more subtle than mine.
I don't think so.
I think so. Like the colors.
We have different eye shapes.
We really do. Yeah, yours go like all the way out here, and mine just kind of go. Well, there's like a straight line from here to here. On me, from the corner of my eye to my eyebrow. I've been working on the railroad all the long day. You're gonna laugh at the face I made when you're editing. It's called glitter glue, so I expect it to be sticky, but dang, this is sticky. I've always kind of wondered how they did this kind of stuff, but I've also been nervous to try a makeup tutorial. Because like you said earlier, sometimes it just makes you feel a little dumb. Because you don't really know what you're doing.
And their eyes are different.
Yup. My mom used to paint. So, she's probably a lot better at this than me. Okay, this is not blending on this side. It won't. It will not. I watched a makeup tutorial when I was like 12 that said it was like 11 eyeshadow mistakes that you're making every day and don't even know it. So I was like, ooh, what mistakes am I making? And number 1 was you're using a fluffy brush to put on your eyeshadow. That's for blending and blending only. Okay. But it was so weird because she kept saying, there are no rules. Really and true, there are no rules. Okay, then why are you giving me rules?
So now you really can't see where that line needs to be. So now that we have all our shadows on our upper eyelid, I'm going to go pop on some false lashes and come right back to show you how I do underneath my eyes, as well as using the black eyeshadow from the palette to make it look like I'm wearing black liner. Okay.
I've never done makeup on my under eyes, really. I think I've done it once, and I didn't like it.
You should probably be doing a lot more than I did, because as you get older and you have the wrinkles and creases and all, it doesn't look as good as it does on a younger person's
Well, I don't like it.
Well, it's good.
I don't think so. Maybe I didn't make good choices, but it's okay. I feel like I put way too much, like it's too thick under my eyes. So I feel like I look kind of goth in a way.
You're not gonna say there's a problem with that on this channel.
You said on this channel.
On this channel. On this channel.
You meant...
I'm doing my waterline with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Side.
The one that I definitely didn't steal recently. Okay, I need your help with this. Can you help me with these? You can be a female drag queen, it's a thing. It's not working, and it's starting to really get on my nerves. Nope. 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 Nobody knew. I just want to watch Ratatouille. Oh my gosh, it popped up again. I'm done.
And so now I have my liner on one eye.
Do you have any mascara that isn't garbage poo-poo that I can use? Should do a montage.
That's what I have to do.
Yeah, that's a lot better. Well, now that one needs to be pulled out a little bit more. Just a little bit.
Oh, that's what it looks like. No, I mean how the black
cuts it, yeah.
all over my eye just like adds more of the sultriness to it. Alright, smells good.
Smells good? That's some pretty good smelling lipstick. See, this doesn't look purple at all compared to yours.
Yeah.
This is my purple one. Do we like?
Mm-hmm. And you have a lighter, more summery look to it.
You have definitely a more dark. It's like Hot Topic goes on vacation or something. Hot Topic takes a cruise.
Alright. I finished looks.
I need lip gloss, don't I?
That's really fun.
It's really close. I can't help it. I think your lipstick goes better than mine does.
Alright. That's what you know. We have been filming for 1 hour and 12 minutes.
Almost 12 minutes. In just a couple seconds, it'll be 12 minutes.
So I have a lot of editing to do.
2, 1. An hour and 12 minutes.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
Peace out, brother. Wait. Other way. Forward. It said, I'm valid, you're not. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. I just coughed something up. Jesus. We went. I whipped my hair. Down, down, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Hi, how are you doing today? This is an intervention. You've been on YouTube for too long. It's time to get off.
Alright, we're done.